Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am super excited to share with you my experience with Streax hair color in the stunning shade 3 dark brown. If you are looking for a hair color that promises 100% grey covers, this is definitely worth considering. First off, let's talk about the formula. This cream hair color is infused with argan and walnut oil, which means it's not only colors your hair but also nourishing it. The oil helps keep your hairs healthy and shiny, which is a huge plus. Now let's dive into the unboxing. Inside the packages you will find a 60-gram colorant tube and 60-gram developer tube and a conditioner. The conditioner is a great touch for post color treatment, ensuring your hair stays soft and manageable. Applying it is super easy, straightforward. Start by mixing the colorant and developer in a non-metallic bowl until you get a smooth consistency. Then section your hair and apply the mixture evenly from root to tip. Make sure to wear gloves to protect your hands. Leave it on for a recommended time, usually around 30 to 40 minutes, then rinse it out thoroughly. Follow up with the including conditioner for that extra hydration boost. The result, a vibrant dark brown shades that not only covers gray hairs perfectly but also leaving your hairs feeling luxurious, looking radiant. So if you are ready to transform your look with long lasting colors while keeping your hair healthy, give stress hair a color a try. Trust me, you won't regret it. So guys, if you want to purchase this product, the initial link is in description box. You can check it out.